Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I am Kriti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Flowers are one of the most beautiful creations of God, and as we know, we should not plant them. So we decorate everything around us with artificial flowers, which by the way, we can make ourselves using various materials. So let's learn making these beautiful roses with crepe papers. To make these flowers, we'll require crepe papers, broomsticks, some thin wires, Fevicol, scissors, green tape or floral tape, and some paper glitters. So we are going to cut rectangular strips of crepe papers roughly. I have taken a dimension of around 48 cm by 13 cm. Next we'll fold the paper horizontally like this and paste the broomstick in one corner with the help of Fevicol. Now all we need to do is rotate the paper around the broomstick, making rough creases in the bottom. It's a total random thing and there is no proper technique to do this. Now as we come to the end, we further fold the paper into a triangle and keep rotating. This is how it will look. Now we use the thin wire to bind our flower. Now with the help of this floral tape, we'll cover the wire and the broomstick. And here our rose is ready. And to enhance its look, we use the paper glitter and apply it around the edges. And our rose is ready. Now we'll make one more with the blue paper using the same process. Friends, do try making these flowers and decorate your house with creations of your own. And guys, do follow me on my social media. I am available on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY, the links of which are mentioned in the description box below. Do subscribe my channel, like, share my videos and please give your reviews in the comment section. And as I always say, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.